everybody. Today I want to show you a little Markdown automation, a little trick I learned from a YouTuber I found, John Lindquist. And here's what his script does. Let's go to his website via Google Chrome. Here's his website, John Lindquist. And so you see it right here. And then I can go to the Markdown editor, my Visual Studio Code. I can select his name. I'll do it via the keyboard, so it's exactly like he does it. And then I can hit Control, Shift, or Control, Option, Command, and N. And then I automatically get his name linked to his website from this one right here without having to copy the URL directly from the browser, and then I can simply use one command and it will paste the link in the Markdown format using what I've selected in via the Alfred workflow. And here's the Alfred workflow. If we can go to Command spacebar and then Command comma, and his workflow is this one, and he has I put in this shortcut, and this is the script for using Google Chrome, and this will copy the frontmost URL of the Google Chrome browser, and then it'll enable you to paste the link in Markdown format from whatever is selected. Excuse me. Okay. So I figured, hey, if he has this, why doesn't he have one for Safari? So I created one for Safari that I'll show you next. Pull up Safari. Here's Safari. Now, it has a different website, my website. Now we're going to open the Visual Studio Code again, because that's our editor. And we're going to highlight this name. And then we're going to go, same thing, Control, Option, Command, and, but this time we're going to use N, or not N, but M. And there you go. It puts my name in, along with the website of the frontmost site in Safari as a URL in Markdown format. Guys, here is the script for the Markdown format for Safari. So if you want to create your own, this is the script that you would have to insert into Alfred's script block, and it's pretty simple. You just have to place it in, and there you have it. And I will also have the script on my website, and I'll have a link to the Alfred workflow. So that's a pretty cool little automation to have in your tool bag for whenever you're writing and trying to create links in Markdown format. Alright guys, that's what I have for you today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody who might find it useful. Alright guys, I'll see you all in the next video.